Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope you're having an awesome day. Today we have a special company to discuss that has been becoming the darling of the drone world by taking a very untraditional path. Zipline's fleet of drones was designed with commerce as a secondary objective. Its mission is to provide every human on Earth with instant access to vital medical supplies. This noble statement has led to develop what has become the largest drone delivery network on Earth, and has caught the eye of Walmart and other large commerce companies trying to leapfrog the competition. And now they have an engineering lead with the Tesla nameplate. So stay with us as we overview Zipline, what they have to offer, and how their recent activity could be the start of something special. Welcome back, everyone. If you enjoy our content and you find it helpful, well then make sure to like the video down below, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification so you can be notified every time we post a new video. And don't forget to comment down below with your thoughts on Zipline and how the company might evolve over the next few years. For those of you who are new here, my name is Mark, and I am an exponential, transformative technology enthusiast. Along with my co-host Kevin, we explore the technology and business revolutions that are happening all around us and look for opportunities to invest in them. So, who is Zipline? Zipline is an American medical product delivery company headquartered in San Francisco. They design, manufacture, and operate delivery drones and operate distribution centers in Rwanda, Ghana, India, the Philippines, and the United States. The company began drone delivery with Rwanda in 2016 and primarily delivers blood. Zipline is made up of engineers who formerly worked at SpaceX, Google, Lockheed Martin, and other tech companies. The aircraft are launched by Catapult. They have an operational range of about 93 miles, but in theory could fly twice that distance. The drones are powered by a nose-mounted battery and guide themselves using GPS location data. So in Rwanda, and the way they work in most countries, they'll be paid by the Department of Health on a per delivery basis. And the company says that the cost per trip is basically equal to the current delivery methods, which is motorcycle or motorbike or ambulance. But unfortunately, those methods take much longer to deliver, obviously, and also a lot of times they can't go at all because of the limited access to some of these locations. So the stay in the air approach is one of the key things, that the plane does not need to land at all. It just goes, drops off, and comes right back. It saves a lot of time and also probably reduces a lot of injury by not being near any blades. The thing is that the drones feature a streamlined battery that they can take in and out and replace for rapid turnarounds during flights. In Ghana, they have a contract to make 600 deliveries a day for 4 years at a cost of about $12.5 million. And each distribution center will house 30 drones. It operates 4 distribution centers in Ghana. So you can see that these are major endeavors that are very busy and have a lot of momentum, a lot of back and forth that's going on. So these are use cases that have actually been operating and can be transferred to any new location, whether it's for medical supplies or potentially for commerce in other countries. In India, they had a contract starting in September of 2019 to have 10 distribution centers that would cover 120 million citizens. In December of 2019, Bono, who's on their board of directors, announced that they will have 3 distribution centers to cover hard-to-reach areas. And of course, Rwanda, their big location, they've made 20,000 blood deliveries and flown more than 1 million kilometers. Right now, as of May 2019, more than 65% of the blood deliveries in Rwanda outside of the capital used drone delivery. And now they're coming into the United States. They're working with the FAA, and they have an agreement with Walmart. Before we get into that, I just wanted to go back to May of 2019, where they obtained 190 million in funding. And at that time, they were valued at 1 billion. They were funded by the Rise Fund, which is a global impact investment vehicle managed by the multi-billion-dollar private equity firm TPG. And they have a lot of other groups that join with them. So this has high visibility, and it was a significant amount of funding at that time to carry them through for the next couple of years of development and expansion. So now that they have operations in place and working well around the world, they were approached by Walmart, and Walmart is putting into place delivery trials in Northwest Arkansas, which is near their headquarters. Tom Ward of Walmart said that Zipline will operate from a Walmart store and can service a 50-mile radius, which is roughly the size of the state of Connecticut, and they'll be able to provide on-demand delivery in under an hour for that wide area. Their plans to launch in early 2020. I think they actually just launched the other day, and it'll be interesting to see how this works. If it works well, they plan to scale it up to other locations. Walmart is actually working with 3 different drone companies in 3 different operations. In addition to Zipline, they're working with Flytrex in Fayetteville, North Carolina, for a similar type of delivery where it's not groceries. In either case, it's more dry supplies, home healthcare supplies, and medical supplies that need to be delivered. And the third one is with DroneUp. They are teaming up with DroneUp and Quest Diagnostics to deliver COVID-19 test kits during the crisis. So Walmart is definitely outsourcing their work. They're not developing their own in-house fleet, and that is a good opportunity for Zipline to ramp up if their testing is successful. Now, one other agreement that Zipline has in place is with Novant Health in North Carolina. They're working with them to deliver medical equipment and protective gear during the COVID crisis. They've been doing this since May. So it's another practical use case operation in the United States during special waivers over the COVID period. And then finally, they're ready to take it to the next level with 2 recent announcements. One, they had that agreement with Joe Mardoff. He was at Tesla. He developed the heat pumps for the Model Y. And also he led the effort for the ventilators that they were looking to convert from car parts into ventilators during the COVID period. So he's had a lot of spotlight lately for engineering efforts at Tesla, and it's a big win for Zipline. The other avenue that Zipline announced is that, according to Forge, Zipline is currently raising a Series E round of funding where the shares are valued at $32.63. And that is indicating a valuation of $2 billion, which is double what it was a year and a half ago. Company's definitely on the rise and is in a transition period. I'm sure we'll be covering them quite a bit this year with other announcements. Really looking forward to hear where this company is going. I can't imagine that they'll go public anytime soon, but you never know. I'm interested to hear your thoughts. Please leave your comments below on anything you hear about Zipline or your thoughts on how we can develop these stories further. Until next time, I appreciate your watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.